What's going on, everyone? This is the Rockness Monster, and as we all know, 2021 has been an absolutely insane year for tech, and an insane year for myself as well. So, I've decided to kick off 2022 with a kind of a refresh to my channel and my branding. I'm here, actually, in my little tech laboratory over there. I got all kinds of junk. I'm going to do some feature builds coming up soon, so this is kind of an introduction to a new start on my channel. I've got my buddy and Turtles. Say hi. He's going to be editing my videos from now on, kind of just trying to grow myself and become what I've always wanted to do with tech and YouTubing and streaming as well, kind of combining everything together and also combining it with all the custom builds I do all around. So that's kind of just an introduction of what's going to be to come on this channel in the near future. But today is all about the first step in that process in my little beginner course of trying to get back into this YouTubing thing. And that will be setting up my filming location here in my office, in my studio. And for that, I'm going to need a little help from the MOVO phone video kit, and I assume MOVO MVT5 professional tripod. So this is a filming setup kit to use your phone. It comes with everything you need to supposed to do professional level work. And I got this over here, so I'm going to make this video really quick quick edit, won't be a very long one because I got this to work on next for my buddy Ann Turtles, who's going to be editing my videos. And yeah, that's going to be fun. So let's go ahead and get into this, open everything up and see what we're working with, and hopefully by the end of the video I'll have it all set up and it'll be looking a lot better than my shaky hands giving you motion sickness if you're watching this on your phone. So without further ado, let's get right into this. Alright, so we've got it all out of the boxes and it's still enclosed. So I'm going to go ahead and unzip this little case here. And from what I understand, inside this there's a mount for a light screen, a boom mic, for your phone to sit in, as well as, I believe I got the USB Type-C version. If not, that's okay, we'll figure it out. But there's their all-in-one kit to kind of do a little vlog setup. And in here I have the tripod. So all this kit is available on Amazon, I believe, for around $100, which really is not bad if you're just going to use your phone and you have a good phone that can record in 4K, which I'm recording this in 4K 60, so I have to make this video quick since it's going to eat up all the storage on my phone. But yeah, so we got all the stuff over here. I'm going to unwrap it all, get it all out of the packages, put it all together, and we're going to have it all on the table together here shortly. All right. So now everything's out of the packaging. There's actually a lot of really handy stuff in this kit. So I'll go with just the tripod first. It's an extremely sturdy tripod, has a built-in little level there as well. But yeah, so this is pretty standard tripod, sturdy, but bundled all together, it works really well, I think, for recording setup, especially if it's just going to be on this table filming down, using my phone here. If I do most of my recordings here or over at the build station with all my junk. Yeah, but so let's go through everything. So here's your little vlogging handle, another little level on here. Vlogging handle, just So we got two microphone adapters for the little cardioid mic, the VXR. I'll get that in frame better. The VXR10 miniature boom mic, and it's got the wind guard here as well to go with that. So that's really convenient. I can't wait to see how that audio quality sounds. Normally it comes with your standard 3.5 millimeter jacks for both versions. Like here you got a longer cord and a shorter one. But if you do have USB Type-C like I do, or iPhone, you're gonna have to get the adapter because nobody makes headphone jacks anymore. Which, you know, who needs those, right? So you have your charging cable or power cable probably for the light here, and I'll just show you the light is already comes pre-charged, I assume. So bam, okay, that's bright. Yep. So we got that. We also have a little wireless starter, I guess. I mean, there'll be your recording on or off. Remote shutter is what it's labeled as. So that's what those are called. Yes, I'm an idiot. We have our track to mount on top of the mount here. So to just add the microphone and backlight there. And then we have our little microphone stand that just clips around this and sits right on top of this and that, and your phone mounts right in here, if that makes any sense. Oh, and microfiber cloth. Those are always important. So I'm going to go ahead and try and get all this assembled together, and I'm going to, well, I don't have a way to film it, so I'll show it assembled before my phone goes in it, and I record another video for Turtle's PC build here. Okay, so yeah, this is the MOVO all set up on probably how I'm going to use it. I'll probably flip this light around once I'm recording. Let me cut it off. It's really bright. Actually has 3 brightness modes as well, so if you want even brighter, there you go, but no thanks. So I'll probably flip this around and I'll tilt this down and have my phone sitting in it like so to record straight down and illuminate it with that light there. I'll have to figure out what to do with this microphone positioning so it picks up my audio really good. But yeah, I decided not to go with the wind guard right now. Not to go with the shutter as well because I'm not doing any vlogging or anything. We're just going to leave that as is. But I'm really, really satisfied on how this is going to probably turn out. And in the next video, and probably at the end of this as well, I'm going to give a sneak peek on starting to unbox this stuff and trying to get it set up. So yeah, this is the MOVO professional tripod and phone video kit, available on Amazon if you want to get started doing your own little whatever. I mean, it's got the vlogging handle as well here. I just attached that to the tripod. The tripod extends up as well. You see the 3-foot settings here. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this, really excited to get to filming using it. So yeah, I'm going to set this bad boy up in the right position. Next time you'll see my recording will be the proper setup with this flipped around and my mic pointing to me. Hopefully my USB-C doesn't act all wonky and I can hear myself and you can hear me as well through this microphone, so the quality's a little better. But yeah, so let's cut to that now with everything laid out there, and I'm going to start right into the next video. Alright, so this is the new setup for me recording. Gonna have to figure out a way to get the legs of the tripod out of the shot, but for right now I'm really satisfied with this. I got both my hands here to free to build and do stuff with, but just as a little sneak peek on the next video, we got a B365M motherboard. We got a genuine, hopefully it'll get that. This light is so bright. Let me cut that off. Alright, that's better. We got a genuine, wants to focus, 9900K for my good buddy there, editing videos. We're going with a 650 watt B5 power supply for him. 32 gigs of affordable yet efficient DDR4 memory. I think it only runs at 2666, but that's plenty coming from his old i7 4790K system. So this is going to be a big step up. Also going to include in his build my personal 1080, the GTX 1080 in my streaming rig right now. We're going to swap that out just a temporarily kind of thing. We also have here the case, which is actually, he requested a Micro ATX test bench, which has a water cooling support. It's aluminum frame. I'm going to have a whole lot of fun unboxing all of this. So this is going to be in the next video, this build, getting it started and finished, hopefully, for him very soon. So yeah, this is the new setup, the review of the MOVO, kind of a start off of the channel moving forward here. And yeah, next video we're going to be building Turtle's PC, not only to edit my stuff, but for his own YouTube channel. You should check him out in the description below. I have his channel linked. He does lots of gameplay, fun edits and stuff. I've known him personally for years now, and he's a really, really good dude. Super excited to have him start embarking on this journey with me into my channel as it grows, in addition to my Twitch. So if you've enjoyed this video, you like the content, this is more of what's going to be coming in the future. 2022 is going to be a really, really big year for tech, and I'm going to be there along for the journey. So yeah, if you're interested in tech builds, tech reviews, custom PCs, all that kind of stuff, yes, hit subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the bell and leave a like if you've liked any of the content so far. Yes, this has been the Rockness Monster. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you right here in really soon in the next video. Take care.